I love that face. Okay, Belle, you ready? Elle.
Elephant.
Is that more squash in different form?
Carrots. Elle Belle.
Oh my god, she's hamming it up for the camera. Holy moly. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's on.
Doopies.
Yeah. Yeah.
We ready for more? Elle Belle.
And I'm wearing my underwear and I'm walking into walls.
Ow.
Did you swallow it?
I was like 4. Right?
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Wait, she doesn't. There's food.
Hi, can you do this for me?
Hey, Elle.
Yeah.
Elle,
Yeah.
are you ready for another piece? Elle.
Ow. Ow.
Elle, what does the puppy say?
What does the puppy say, Al? Woof woof. Can you do that for me? There.
What did the puppy say?
Woof woof. Woof. Can you go woof for me?
She's food, she won't go woof.
It says feed me.
What does the puppy say? Woof. What does the puppy say? What does the duck say? Quack quack. What does the duck say? Quack quack quack.
Yep, there's the doggy. He's waiting because he thinks maybe something will fall on the floor. She says, hi, buddy. I think he's waiting patiently.
There's Buddy. Buddy. Buddy.
He's deaf.
Yeah, he can't hear me.
What does the puppy say? Woof woof.
Is this in your way? We can move this.
She's okay. What does the puppy say?
Are you going to have a drink?
You're not being quite as silly now that the camera's on.
She never is.
Yeah, she's go.
That's pretty silly. No, the burping is by far her favorite.
You're dumb.
Let me start burping.
How do you know? Ellie Belle. Belle.
Do I need a burp for you to laugh?
Yeah,
Do
start
I?
burping.
Okay.
No, after she eats, so she. Yeah. Now burp.
Hey, Al.
Burp.
Hey, Al. No?
Boom, boom.
Da-da-da-da.
Oh, God, it's Rich.
Warm.
Hey,
Hi,
Al.
Rich. Hello. Hi.
No? Nothing?
Bad signal here. Oh, you like it, huh?